We haven't had good luck. Alright, we're gonna go hiking in Tennessee. I don't know where we're at. Babs sent us over this way. She said we could hike here. Fun little hike. Looks like it's like in a little 18-mile hike you can go on from starting up north, maybe by the 40 more. You can hike all the way down the river line. But that was cool. It was a little more than a mile hike we went on. And then fun just to get out. It's like 70 degrees a day. It's crazy. We were scraping ice off the windows when we first got here, and now it's like 70. It's gorgeous. Somebody carved Tennessee in it. We started here. I think we made it to like that cove. Or maybe that cove. Yeah, it was that cove we made it to. Oh, so we just got back from that hike. It was gorgeous. Weather's still looking good. We're supposed to get some rain today though, tonight. It's 4:30, it's not supposed to hit until a little bit later. Dude, our campfire's still going from last night. Anyways, we were gonna head up to Jeffrey's really quick because we got Tracy that new Ruger. That's our 9 handgun. And Jeffrey makes holsters, custom holsters. Took the gun up to him this morning, asked him if he'd make her a holster really quick. He's making a quick prototype, and then we're gonna try making another one for reals. So we'll run up there and kind of show you the process. But he'd make some badass holsters. Kerber Arms, check them out. Instagram, social media. Oh yeah, we got a new, we got an automatic slinger for the clays this time. Way better than throwing it, since nobody knows how to throw right. We'll come back to that and we'll do some more of that later too. Oh, just take a swing ride really quick. Look at this swing. Ah, I want to be my kids. I'm not gonna act like my kids. Stealing your Ranger, Mark. What are you doing? What are you doing? You ready to go, baby?
Yes.
Up to Jeffrey's. We're at Jeffrey's. Jamie. Hi, Jamie.
Not on me.
Oh.
Hi. Back soon though.
So what is this process? Look at this. This is where Jeffrey makes all of his stuff. It's Kerber Arms stuff.
Here's your gun mold.
So there's the tester. So he uses this as his little prototype to mold around it. So all of his holsters come from this. Just plastic. And that's all he does is heat it up. Right now he's heating some up. He's got 2 different types. But he's got it in a basic heat press. About 10 minutes, heat it up, and then we'll be able to be pliable, and then we'll mold it. I'm interested to see the process. Oh shit. I just took a roll.
Start fanning.
This stuff was like rubber. It was like silly putty.
When I pull it out.
It was crazy.
Yeah, and that's it over on the shelf. I mean, it's like this normally. Right where the trigger's at or something. Yeah.
153.
Ford's out of. But they have a very, very specific one for the gun industry.
Okay, well Jeffrey wraps that up really quick. We're gonna run down in that the cellar we've been wanting to go to. It's starting to get super dark, super sketchy. It's raining over there. We got my little light. Be able to find our way. Hey,
Got a big one.
where'd you find that? She got a bigger light. That's no fair. It's like down in there somewhere. Are you scared?
Not until you get in there.
There's like multiple rooms and stuff. I don't know. Jeffrey says he hasn't really gone in there. This is not creepy or anything, is it? You coming? Dude, it is cold in here. The nest of something right there.
It leaks water, clearly.
Ah!
That's not that big.
That's it. Something definitely lives in here, though. Turn off the light. See how dark it is. Oh, crap. You can't even like... Oh, yeah, you can kind of see the way out. So, we'll not want to come down here at nighttime.
Why they put all these...
Ain't no bomb shelter. Where they got a bunch of shelves if all people would be sleeping on here. Alright, that wasn't that scary. Just like to hype it up a little bit and get ourselves in the mood. Babs had her light, so I was never scared with that thing. You having trouble carrying that?
No, it's actually not heavy.
We gotta get it back up here, finish the holster, get back home, make some chocolate chip cookies because it is New Year's Eve and we need a ring in the new year.
The neighbors would think you were getting murdered, right?
Jeffrey's down here doing shots of dough urine. I think he's losing
it. Long life. Man, I might have a key.
Alright. Damn. Ooh. We were just wrapping up some food to head over to Sherrywood for New Year's Eve. My dad's chocolate chip cookie recipe going, and I added some marshmallows. This guy bought marshmallows. Added those to the cookies, added new twists. Josh is gonna try to blow up another thing. He just tried to blow up the deck. We are the kids, though.
Yeah, they left. They're out of it.
Yeah, the kids left.
Look at this one I got.
Tessa got her little backpack full of snakes and stuff. You guys remember what happened? You guys probably can't see me, but remember last time in Kentucky, Kevin brought this redneck from the fireworks shop to do a fireworks show for us. And the fireworks show went haywire. Shit started shooting into the forest, and we just had that happen with Josh. What's this one? Just a mortar?
It's a 60-gram mortar.
Whoa! The best part right there.
my God, Sachi.
Whoa. Okay, last happy face one. And I've got an idea should have one in here somewhere. Not the new one. We'll strap the Hero 3, my old Hero 3 to it. So we'll strap the old Hero 3 to the happy face and we'll see what it does.
I'll come in a second and help you. I want to watch Matt blow up a GoPro.
We need a different angle this time.
Just put in this one.
Right here?
Right behind that. Something's going off behind that piece of wood, just as an FYI.
Just...
That one didn't work. I went to run away. It's like, I heard me.
Strap the GoPro to the mortar.
Guys.
Here we go.
There goes the GoPro.
Face this way.
Crazy said we're having battles.
Teresa.
Dad, here, Dad.
Everyone duck.
Right there.
Oh, right here.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You can hear it coming down. Like, ooh.
It just has a little mud on it. All right, so this is the GoPro post-launch. So Tracy's extended Kentucky family are musicians, and they're gonna jam in a sec. So they put out an album, actually, a gospel album, I think.
I've been working man damn near all my life on working. As long as these two hands you can use, I drink a little beer with you. Leave her alone, she knows. Another man done gone.
You gonna shake? You gonna help us shake? Oh, we missed a spot? All right, I'll fix it.
And your journey towards the dark side will be complete.
Go Tess, play it.